Are you looking to convert Outlook email to PDF with attachments? We've got you covered. But before we begin, let's take a look at why it's important to export Outlook email to PDF. PDFs work on any device or operating system. Open PDF emails anytime, anywhere, no app needed. PDFs are non-editable, perfect for secure storage. Easily share PDFs across platforms and devices. Great for legal use, with attachments safely preserved. We'll show you 2 easy ways to convert Outlook email to PDF. Let's start with the manual method to save Outlook emails as PDF. Save Outlook email as PDF using Print option. Open Outlook, select the email to convert, go to File, and select Print option. Select Microsoft Print to PDF, click Print, set destination, name the file, and lastly click Save. But wait, this method has some drawbacks. Can't export multiple emails at once. Saving emails one by one is time-consuming. Requires Outlook to be installed and configured. Attachments aren't embedded automatically in PDFs. Now let's check the Pro method to batch convert Outlook emails to PDF. To save time and effort, use the Recovery Tools PST to PDF converter. Just visit the official Recovery Tools website and download our Outlook to PDF converter. Batch convert Outlook emails to PDF with attachments. Launch the software, and click Next to begin. Add your Outlook profile data using an automated option. Select the folders you want to export. Choose PDF as saving format. Enable filter options if needed, like date range. Set the destination path. Pick a file naming option. And lastly click Convert. Let's look at the advantages of using the Outlook to PDF converter. Convert multiple Outlook emails to PDF in one go. Save emails with all their attachments automatically. Preserve folder structure, formatting, and metadata. No need to have Outlook installed on your system. Apply filters for targeted export. And that's all for this video. Visit the given product link today to download the product. For any queries, email us at support@recoverytools.com.